Hi, I'm Jez, the Public Health Nutritionist from Oakland County's WIC program. Thanks for joining our 5-week video series celebrating National Nutrition Month. We are continuing to celebrate this year's theme, Celebrate a World of Flavors. Celebrating flavors from cultures around the world is a tasty way to nourish ourselves and appreciate diversity. Last week, we talked about adding more iron to your diet with some tasty recipe ideas from Latin American-inspired food. This week, let's talk about vitamin C and what it does for our body. Eating foods rich in vitamin C helps your body use iron better. Think of foods with vitamin C as iron helpers, including tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, cauliflower, oranges, kiwis, and strawberries. Let's travel to Greece and then the Middle East. Recipes commonly eaten in these locations have foods rich in vitamin C. Try a veggie wrap with roasted vegetables and low-fat cheese wrapped in a whole grain pita. If you're looking for a snack, try raw vegetables with tzatziki sauce, a creamy yogurt-based dressing made with cucumbers, dill, and garlic. Want something sweet? A smoothie with tropical fruits such as mango or papaya is a great option. We've linked a tasty recipe in the comments below. Use your WIC benefits to find these foods at your local grocery store. See if you're eligible for WIC. Call us at 248-858-1272. If you are pregnant, you don't have to wait until your baby is born to get on WIC. Thanks for watching.